Hello everyone, today we're doing a nice little ride from Ringmoor to Wanwell Beach, going along the coastal path. But things didn't go to plan. First major mechanical failure of my Haibike. I always go the wrong way, I can never remember the way to go. Anyway, cute old pub.
Oh yeah, it's amazing, isn't it? That's it, the journey's end.
They look lovely, but they must be so dark inside. And the price of that roof. I'm guessing the failure was caused by this long climb, like the straw that broke the camel's back. The drivetrain was getting a bit clangy recently. Both ready for a lovely ride in lovely weather. Oh, and that was it, the free hub packed in. You become prepared and you can just strap it to the spokes. Very gently ride back to the van.
Oh.
The next day.
Back with much meatier straps. The problem with this is you are making the motor do the freewheeling. Sometimes you're going to get top chain slack. While I was coming down here, the chain actually jumped off and jammed the cogs and locked the back wheel. Very nasty. Got back together and just made a point of pedalling at all times.
Oh my god.
The tide's out, so we might be able to get around the edge and have a look at the nice little beach that's there. Yep, looks doable.
Go for it.
The camera doesn't do it justice, but it's quite an epic place to be here. The coastal path from here onwards is just absolutely stupidly steep, and I can't risk it when my freewheel is just held on with straps. Instead, we're going to ride up the valley into the little town and then take the long ride down to Wanwell Beach.
I'm walk moding it up because I can't trust these straps. Jesus! Okay, we're missing the puddle out by going through the field, but we don't know if there's a way out at the end. Well done, Brian. I saw you poking over with the Insta.
I thought Brian was behind me, but he'd actually gone through it. A classic English scene, I would say.
Jesus. Thank you.
Deer driving a Mini, horses and a red telephone box.
It's okay, no worries.
This is a lovely switchback descent towards the beach.
Oh, shizen.
And of course Brian's worried about his Insta 360 on top of his helmet.
Bloody.
This is why I would never build or ride an e-bike that's heavier than I can lift over a gate.
I don't know if it was the other way.
Wanwell Beach. Of course, Brian thinks we can find a way over, but I had to tell him we really can't. The drone is scaring the swans. Empty places like this are very rare in England. Must be about 6 people here total. I have ridden across this on my hub drive, you might remember the video, but I feel a lot safer on that. The hub drive can take anything and the controller's positioned a lot higher up. I'm not riding the Haibike across there. It's just a nightmare if it goes wrong. Water is really shifting. So the next ride is the worst one I had in the whole 2 weeks here in Dartmoor. It just was absolutely dreadful, but I won't go on about it. I'll show you what happened. So basically Brian found the Avon Dam loop and I was okay with that. And then as we're going here, he's describing it and I'm thinking, that sounds just like the one that I looked at, and the guy said it's an absolute mud pit and don't go. Fortunately, I was correct. He also said the path was very indistinct and it was quite hard going even on foot. I'm getting a bad feeling about this already.
I shall go in that.
I mean, it's just relentless, and to be honest, it doesn't even look that inviting to ride into.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. There's just loads of things to take your derailleur off. Fuck, Jesus.
There's nothing much to see. Everything is slippy, muddy or lumpy. You start to lose confidence in yourself.
Jesus. Oh. Fuck.
I suppose it's got a desolate foreboding if you're into that sort of thing. Nice, a dead sheep.
Oh, the smell.
I tried to outrun the drone. He actually managed it.
That looks deep.
Yeah.
You go for it.
Go.
Every 50 foot you had to evaluate whether the bog would descend up to your handlebars or not. Can you tell I'm not having fun?
Oh dear.
Brian's very accepting of his fate. I'm chief moaner.
At the beginning? Yeah.
The bridle path on the map now seems to be a footpath.
Are you riding across it? Bloody hell, mate, that's risky. I'm not doing that. Epic. I'll ride over that. I got absolutely no grip at all.
This is just insanely steep and I'm already goosed. Oh Lord, just get me to the top.
Back is a complete bog fest. Oh my god, we're miles from anywhere. Oh Jesus, absolutely horrendous. Just look at this panorama though. Incredible. Quite possibly the most awful terrain I've ever ridden on. Oh, we're being pushed to the limit here.
I called the ride and said, let's just make it back to the van.
Jesus Christ.
Continuously squeaky brakes just finished it off. Would you ride this? Would you ever go? I would never do this again.
Don't go between her and her. Ah, I can't! I now fall off.
Take a picture with the ponies? Nope, I'm going home. Smell the lovely tarmac road.
Bastard!
Can't believe that didn't hurt. I fell some distance. Not the slightest pain and gave me no trouble afterwards.
Oh, this is cool, isn't it? I fell off there. Those rocks are so slippy. I seriously stopped on top of them.
If I was younger and fitter, I might try and blast through this, but no, not now. Beaten me.
Jesus. Could have gone down there.
It's actually a pretty picturesque path. A little ambience to it. And I am saved. And to finish it off, a big lump of mud straight in my eye.
Oh, bastards! Thank you. Right, smile.
I don't want to hate on Dartmoor. There are really some nice parts higher up. I might go there one day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again next week with more Devon fun.